If your company has invested in Microsoft Copilot but hasn't seen the transformation you expected, you're not alone. The biggest barrier isn't the technology, it's adoption. Without the right training and change management, Copilot ends up underused. But when teams know how to use it well, the results are real. Up to 353% ROI, lower operating costs, and faster decision-making. That's why we created the Microsoft Copilot Adoption Training, a 100% online, hands-on program led by former Microsoft AI experts. We walk your teams through 4 key modules: AI foundations and Copilot setup, real use cases across Microsoft 365, governance and best practices, and even how to build custom AI agents for your business. It's practical, fast, and designed to deliver value from day one. You can train a 20-person team for just $4,000 total. That's $200 per person, and unlock over 1,500 hours of productivity savings per year. That's an ROI of 1,850%. So if you're ready to turn Copilot into a real competitive advantage, visit Kmeleon.tech or reach out to us directly.
Driving your evolution is in our DNA.